Hi guys, welcome to Honest SR, where you get unbiased, straightforward reviews of products without any financial support by anyone else. Okay, we're looking at the Beoplay H9 today. To start off, it's got pretty good anti-noise cancelling. The build is absolutely exquisite. The leather is really soft and feels really luxurious. And looks really nice, be it in the black or the tan. Just the looks department, this headphones really does it for me. I'm actually thinking of keeping one just for the looks of it. They're very comfortable. They're quite comfortable, not the best in comfort. Removable battery, that's a real plus for me. Great bass, the bass is really good. And low ear fatigue. I've left them on for ages and didn't get too tired. Okay, now for the cons. First things first, customer service and repair. Options and information is absolutely ridiculous. I had an issue with the Bluetooth of these ones when I was using it. Look, long story short, it took me 5 months to get it repaired. That's stupid. Especially if you've got things like Apple, on the other hand, which do beats and you can send them off and within a week you get another pair. Although having said that, after 5 months they did upgrade me to the H9Is, but still the customer service was absolutely abhorrent. And just because I know how to deal with these people, I got away with it. To the layman who doesn't deal with this stuff, he would have probably just given up in the end. So really poor in that sense. Now about the headphones, the lack of buttons, touch sensitive, I find them personally to be very annoying. And especially for these headphones, they were really fiddly and unresponsive. For example, like you had a touch thing on the ear piece, and like if you made circles on it, it'll turn up the volume, and reverse circles like anti-clockwise would lower it. Never worked for me properly. Only Bluetooth 4.0, takes a while to charge. Only 18 hours of battery, 14 hours of battery life. Quite expensive, very expensive in Australia, $700 at JB. The sound is really good in bass, but every other department it really lacks at. Not as comfortable as the Bose or Audio Technica, and the anti-noise cancelling is not as good as Bose either. And the other problem I had with this is it's a really like stay at home, listen to music kind of headphones. You can't really take them out and live actively like for a run or gym and things like that. It's not built for that. The battery is not too good. Another issue I have with them is they only pair with one device. So if you need to pair it with another device, you need to unpair it and pair it and repair it to the other device, which will do your head in. Especially you can get like Bose and Beats, and all them can do multiple devices. Another issue I personally had was it doesn't have a case. It just has a leather bag, and that which you can't really have any protection in it, because if you put it in your bag with other stuff, it can bump and damage the headphones really badly. Okay, verdict time. Luxurious, outstanding looks, that would make you stand out in any crowd and would make you look good. But other than that, if you're asking me, the price is way too much, especially for the price that it's asking. You can get like for a lot cheaper. You can get better sounding headphones, more comfortable, better anti-noise cancelling technology, better battery life, better repair and customer service, better at not restricting your lifestyle and things like that. So in my opinion, give these a miss. Alright guys, that's it from me for today. Let me know what you think about my video in the comments, and if you want to support my work and you like to see more videos, please do subscribe and give me thumbs up. Hope you guys have a great day. Thanks.